Hello fellow translators, just a quick video because I wanted to say that I decided to bite the bullet and to go ahead with the translation book club, translation language book club, something like that. I think the easiest way to, right now I'm just going to go the path of least resistance, and I think the easiest way to do it is just to set up a Facebook group. And so I'm going to put the link to it down below. Just click join the Facebook group, and then write, as your first comment, as the first thing when you join, just write down, because I was wondering if I want translated fiction or if I want to have books about translation or about linguistics or something. I think it's easiest if we just write down a recommendation for whatever book you would like to discuss. It can be a book you've read or haven't read, doesn't matter. Or if you have more than one book, feel free to list a couple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these into account and then either pick, if one gets a lot of votes, or if a couple get a lot of votes, then maybe I'll put that, have a poll and put those to a vote, or else pick that way. But I won't pick until we get, I don't know, probably 50 members. Once we get 50 members, then we can start it going, because I don't want to do it with like just 5 members and maybe it ends up that only me and one other person actually read the book, because let's face it, not everyone might read the book. And so, but I think, around 50 members is we'll give it good volume. So once it has 50 members, then we'll see what books everyone has recommended. And feel free to check what other people recommend. If there's something you like, you can comment and be like, oh, I like that book as well, or something like that. And then, yeah, we'll take it from there. And so at that point, I'll either put it to a vote for the top books if they're there, or, we'll see if there's a clear winner or something along those lines. But yeah, I really think it will be something fun to do, and so I want to set it up, and then we'll see, hopefully, if we get enough interest. And like I said, starting off with 50 members, then we'll do something with it. So for now, I will create the Facebook group, and I mean, hopefully it's created by the time you see this video, and so there will be the link to it down below. And so feel free to join, and I should, if I do it correctly, it should be open, so you can just join and then jot down exactly what books you would like to read, and we'll take it from there. Okay, that's pretty much it. I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks, bye. Savedum.